This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicolay Blanchard. Great room floor plan with cathedral ceiling. This home has been meticulously cared for. Freshly painted interior. Kitchen offers newest slate-colored appliances. Large sliders stack back for a 12 feet opening onto the large lanai. Master bedroom and both baths have 9 feet ceilings with transom windows to allow natural light. Tile in the primary living areas with carpet in the bedrooms. Easy access to Fort Myers via North Bridge and or Cape Coral. Located conveniently between Pine Island Road and Hancock Bridge Parkway. Lots of shopping and restaurants in the immediate area. First, last and security deposit required. For more information, review the details below.